Hi y'all, how are you? Welcome back. So today I'm gonna show you how I do my watercolors. So I drew the flower and I chose a petal and I just uh, wet it with water, and this is a technique I have seen so many painters, so many YouTubers doing. So now I took the paint mixture that I've already made and filled the petal with that color, and while the paint is still wet, okay, the page is still wet, I'm gonna go and use a darker color just to give the dimension that a petal needs. Okay, so you'll see it here, and make sure that the paint is still wet because it gives that pretty effect, as you can see. And then you just go on and blend the color with the lighter shade seamlessly. And I will say that always start with a lighter color, because it is easier to build up the color, okay, than to correct your mistakes if you use a darker color at the beginning of your drawing. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just blending that darker color in. Okay, I used the darkest color at the boundary of the petal, and then I just went on and blended it in the lighter. So now I'm doing the same with the second petal. I'm going to wet it, and unfortunately I used a lot of water. So and then I just removed the water, as you and just notice that whenever I whenever like I am actually wiping my paintbrush on a tissue paper. Okay, every time I lift my hand, it is not always that I'm going to add water on. Okay, I am drying the brush as well. So now when I was happy with the quantity of water on the petal, I went on and grabbed the lighter paint, and painted the petal. And here also I'll do the same. I'll grab, when I know that this is the perfect quantity of water. Okay, so I just go back and grab the darker color and see. Okay, and then I always first start with the boundary, and then I blend it into the petal. Okay, and you will notice that I am not blending the darker color totally. Okay, there are lighter areas here and there, just to give that dimension. You see, if you would paint the petal the same color, it won't look that beautiful. Okay, and now a sped up version, and you will see me lifting the color at the end of the video. What I do is I just take a dry brush, okay, and then I just drag the paint across the paper where I want some lighter shades of the color. Okay, so you will see it towards the end here. Okay, bye guys, thanks for watching.